I'm Darius, your realtor friend, and welcome to my newest listing. This charming home is perched on the Trophy Street here on Queen Anne, and it has some of the most spectacular views of the Seattle city skyline. So let's go take a look. Thank you for watching, and as you could probably tell by now, this is truly something special. It's rare to find in the city a charming home with the large yard, an oversized 2-car garage, and the best views of the city skyline. If you would like to see it in person, give me a call, or otherwise I'll see you on the next video.